5 superfoods for joint flexibility and mobility. Joint health is one of the pillars of physical well-being, mobility, and longevity. After 30-35 years, the body naturally starts to lose collagen, cartilage becomes thinner, synovial fluid production decreases, and metabolic waste accumulates in the joint capsule. By ages 45-55, many people experience the first signs of stiffness, reduced flexibility, or discomfort during movement. While genetic factors matter, nutrition plays a decisive role in how fast joints age, or, conversely, how successfully they regenerate. Superfoods foods unusually rich in biologically active compounds can slow down cartilage degeneration, reduce inflammation, lubricate joints, and even stimulate repair mechanisms. In this detailed guide, we explore 5 scientifically validated superfoods that support flexibility, mobility, elasticity, and long-term joint resilience. Each section provides in-depth mechanisms, biochemical explanations, and practical ways to include these foods into daily nutrition. Superfood number 1. Salmon and other fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Among all foods beneficial for joint health, salmon holds a leading position due to its exceptionally high concentration of EPA and DHA2 long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, critical for reducing inflammation, restoring cartilage, and improving overall joint function. Why omega-3 fatty acids matter for joint mobility? Inflammation is the #1 driver of joint stiffness, swelling, and reduced flexibility. Chronic low-grade inflammation gradually eats away at cartilage, increases oxidative stress, and accelerates the onset of arthritis-like conditions. EPA and DHA from salmon reduce pro-inflammatory cytokines, IL-6, TNF-A, CRP, inhibit enzymes that destroy cartilage, COX-2, MMPs, increase the production of anti-inflammatory resolvins, protect synovial membranes from irritation, improve the viscosity and quality of joint lubrication. This leads to smoother movement, less stiffness, reduced pain or discomfort, greater range of motion, faster recovery after physical activity. Salmon and cartilage regeneration. EPA and DHA also affect chondrocytes, the cells responsible for building and maintaining cartilage. Omega-3s enhance nutrient delivery to cartilage, slow collagen breakdown, support the synthesis of proteoglycans, reduce oxidative stress inside joint capsules. This creates a protective environment that slows age-related joint degradation. Ideal intake research suggests 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week or 1-2 tablespoons of high-quality fish oil daily. Other suitable fatty fish include sardines, mackerel, herring, trout. Superfood number 2. Turmeric, curcumin. The king of anti-inflammatory spices, restoring flexibility and reducing stiffness. Turmeric is one of the most extensively studied natural compounds for joint health, largely because of its active ingredient, curcumin. Its anti-inflammatory strength rivals that of pharmaceutical NSAIDs, but without the negative gastrointestinal side effects. How turmeric improves joint flexibility. Curcumin works on multiple levels. 1. Blocks inflammatory pathways. It inhibits NF-κB, a central molecule that triggers inflammation throughout the body. When NF-κB is overactivated, joints become swollen, stiff, and painful. 2. Reduces joint swelling and stiffness. Clinical studies show that curcumin improves joint range of motion by 35-50%, reduces morning stiffness, enhances walking speed, decreases joint sensitivity. 3. Protects cartilage from breakdown. Curcumin slows the activity of enzymes like MMP3 and COX-2, which destroy cartilage tissue in aging joints. 4. Neutralizes free radicals. Its antioxidant power is extremely high, helping prevent oxidative damage inside synovial fluid. Bioavailability. The most important nuance. Curcumin is poorly absorbed unless combined with black pepper. Piperine increases absorption by 2,000%. Healthy fats. Olive oil, coconut oil, fish oil. This is why traditional Indian cuisine, where turmeric is cooked in ghee, has such strong anti-inflammatory properties. Recommended intake 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder daily, or 500 1000 milliliters curcumin extract, standardized with piperine. Turmeric supports joint flexibility, cartilage, longevity, smooth movement, reduced inflammation. Superfood number 3, bone broth, collagen plus gelatin. A rich source of the building blocks for cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. Bone broth is biologically unique. It contains collagen, gelatin, glycine, proline, chondroitin sulfate, glucosamine, and dozens of micronutrients that the body uses to repair connective tissue. Why bone broth is a superfood for joint mobility. Collagen makes up 60% of cartilage, 90% of ligaments and tendons, a large portion of synovial fluid proteins. After age 30, natural collagen production decreases, which leads to thinning of cartilage, reduced flexibility, weaker ligaments, slower recovery, increased risk of injury. Bone broth provides the raw materials the body needs to restore joint structure. Key components. 1. Collagen type 2, found in cartilage, improves shock absorption. 2. Chondroitin and glucosamine. These compounds are often used in supplements, and bone broth provides them naturally. Reduce stiffness, improve mobility, slow cartilage erosion, enhance joint lubrication. 3. Gelatin improves the elasticity of ligaments and tendons. 4. Amino acids, glycine, proline, directly support connective tissue repair. Documented benefits. Regular consumption improves range of motion, reduces low-grade inflammation, increases collagen density, supports joint stability. Recommended intake 200-300 ml bone broth daily, or collagen peptides 10-15 joule day. Superfood number 4, avocado. An ideal source of healthy fats, vitamin E, and AVX compounds for cartilage protection. Avocado is one of the most underrated foods for joint health. Many people see it as just a fatty fruit, but it contains unique bioactive compounds that repair cartilage and reduce inflammation. Avocado supports joint health in 3 major ways. Reduces chronic inflammation, improves joint lubrication, accelerates cartilage regeneration. 1. Cartilage protection through the AVX complex. Avocado contains special substances known as avocado soybean unsaponifiable fractions, ASU. They have been clinically proven to reduce inflammation, slow cartilage degradation, stimulate the synthesis of type 2 collagen, increase the elasticity of the joint capsule, reduce pain caused by osteoarthritis. European research shows that ASU can provide effects comparable to mild, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, but without damaging the gastrointestinal system. 2. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cartilage. Among fruits and vegetables, avocado is one of the best natural sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E protects cartilage from oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, improves the quality of synovial fluid supports, ligament, elasticity helps tissues recover after physical stress. A deficiency of vitamin E makes joints stiffer and more vulnerable to micro-injuries. 3. Healthy fats improve cartilage nutrition. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation, improve absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, support cell membrane health, enhance synovial fluid quality. Better synovial fluid means less friction and better mobility. How to consume 1 to 2. 1 avocado per day. Add to salads, smoothies, or eat on its own. Superfood 5. Ginger. A natural booster for blood circulation, tissue regeneration, and inflammation control. Ginger is one of the most powerful foods for joint health, yet it's often used simply as a remedy for colds. In reality, ginger is a strong, natural anti-arthritic superfood. 1. Ginger improves blood circulation inside the joints. Ginger's most important property is its ability to enhance microcirculation. This is critical because cartilage has no blood vessels of its own, receives nutrients through diffusion from synovial fluid. When circulation is impaired, Cartilage receives fewer nutrients, synovial fluid quality declines waste removal, slows down stiffness develops. Ginger widens capillaries and increases blood flow, accelerating tissue repair. 2. Powerful anti-inflammatory action. Ginger contains gingerols and shogals, compounds that inhibit inflammatory enzymes, COX and LOX. Benefits: reduced pain, improved flexibility, less morning stiffness support for osteoarthritis and inflammatory joint conditions. In several studies, ginger showed effects comparable to ibuprofen, without the harmful side effects. 3. Cartilage protection. Ginger slows collagen. Breakdown stimulates cell regeneration, protects the joint capsule, reduces mineral deposits and salt accumulation. It also helps the body flush out metabolic byproducts that trigger inflammation. How to consume 1 to 2 centimeters of fresh ginger root daily or 1 teaspoon of powder. Add to tea, smoothies or meals. How these superfoods work together. When these foods are included simultaneously, their effects not only add up, they amplify one another. 1. Omega-3 plus curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory combination. Together, they reduce inflammation, protect cartilage, improve joint mobility. 2. Bone broth plus ginger, regeneration plus improved blood flow. This combination accelerates cartilage repair, improves joint nutrition. Avocado plus bone broth, stronger ligaments and better elasticity. Vitamin E from avocado enhances the effectiveness of collagen. Who benefits the most from these superfoods? Adults over 35 athletes, people with sedentary lifestyles, individuals with excess weight, those experiencing early stiffness, people with osteoarthritis, those with chronic joint inflammation. The earlier you start feeding your joints with supportive nutrients, the longer they remain flexible, resilient, and healthy.